Okay, I promise I would not post any more pictures of my recovering leg. But this is not a picture, this is a video, huh? Why not? So, you know, this is brand new. This thing looks like, I don't know, looks like blood. Yeah, it's really bad. I don't know how to do it here. Yeah. Yeah.